have never had all the sizes and the different styles of Speedies in before, so today we're gonna go one by one and I'm gonna show you each size. So if you're trying to decide which Speedy bag would be a good size for you, today is your day to find out. We'll start with the biggest first. So let me take these off of my arm. And first up is going to be the size 40 Speedy. So this one makes a really good travel bag. It's a good weekend bag, but if you carry a lot of things, this is also a good everyday bag. I actually did a test on TikTok and this one does fit a 15-inch laptop. So you can use this as a work bag if you need to. It's a really nice one. This one is Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. Real quick, let me show you the other side. So I get comments on Louis Vuitton canvas often about how if it's a real bag, the Louis Vuitton Pro logos will be right side up on one side and upside down on the other side. This is true for Speedy bags, but this is not true for all bags. The reason is because these do not have a separation seam on the bottom. If they did, then Louis Vuitton would have right side up logos on both sides. So just keep that in mind. That is not always true. That is not always the case. But again, this one's the canvas with the vachetta leather. It's a gorgeous one. And of course it has the pieces where you can lock it on the sides. So if you carry a lot of things or you need a good work bag, this one makes a good one for you. Next is the size 35. Let me put the 30 down real quick. Okay, this is the 35. We did a test as well. This one will hold a size 13-inch laptop. So if you are a boss babe but you don't want all the logos, or maybe you just need a small size, a little bit smaller size bag, this one makes a really good option for you. This is Epi leather, Louis Vuitton's Epi leather, which is the strongest leather material that they make their bags from. And this one's a really pretty cognac color. You can kind of see throughout how pretty it is. This one just needs a little bit of shaping. Otherwise, it's in very, very clean condition. Look at the side tabs. They're so nice. And then it does have a little wear on the pull tab here, but you can get these pieces replaced at Louis Vuitton. It's fairly cheap. So if you ever find yourself missing a pull tab on your Speedy bag, which is a very common thing, you can get them replaced at Louis Vuitton if it means a lot. Here's the inside on this one. This one is raw leather. So you can kind of see it's got like this textured type leather throughout. It's just a raw leather. And then it does have a slip pocket. The interior on this one was the same, but it is cotton interior. So if that makes a difference to you at all, that one's cotton, this one has leather interior. Okay, size comparison on these two. And in front. So it's not a huge difference, but definitely makes a little bit of a difference size-wise if you want to carry a laptop. Okay, next up, and I feel like the biggest difference in size is the 30. So this one's a 35, this one's a 30. For some reason, I just see a huge jump between these two, but not so much these two. I don't know. This one is also mini lin, so it's a cotton material throughout. Cotton blend, poly, little poly in there. But this one, you can see it's a cream and beige striped, and then it's got a denim color monogram logo throughout it, and these really pretty textured leather cream color handles. This one would make a really good crossbody bag. So if you would just buy it separately, just find a crossbody strap that you feel like would match this really well, and maybe a cream color or even a blue would match this one really cute. You would put it on here and on the opposite side here, and then it would wear as a crossbody bag like this. So this one makes a great everyday bag. It is Louis Vuitton's most popular style bag, most popular size Speedy bag, so that tells you something. I will say next is the size 25 and my personal favorite size. I don't carry a lot of things, so I only need a small bag. Typically carry a small bag and a diaper bag, so that's kind of the phase I'm in right now. This is Damier Ebene, which is the brown on brown checkered material or checkered print on canvas. So this is coated canvas, which is essentially just plastic on top of cotton. That's what coated canvas is. This one has chocolate leather handles, chocolate leather on these sides. This specific one is in pretty much pristine condition. as you can see. But yes, this one's the size 25. So here's how it looks, and here's a comparison of the 30 and the 25. You can kind of see the difference. It's just a very cute bag. It still fits a full-size wallet. It still fits your phone, your keys, your everyday items. And this one would make a really good crossbody bag as well. Put the strap here, and then on the opposite side over here, and then you've got a cute little Speedy crossbody bag. Okay, last and littlest, but certainly not least, we have this little guy. This is the Nano Speedy, which is smaller than my hand. This is, a lot of people buy these for their daughters. I don't know if I would do that depending on how old she was. I don't have a daughter, but maybe I would. But this is just a really good, I like this for a going out bag for a ladies' night or something like that, because you don't want something too heavy. You don't want to feel like you've got to carry a bunch of stuff. So this carries your credit cards, it carries some little bit of cash, it carries your keys. So you've got all of your important things that you need to keep in your bag in this little guy. And this particular one comes with a crossbody strap. So it is detachable, so you could totally take it off if you just want to carry it on your hands. But let me show you how it looks with the crossbody strap. It is one of the cutest bags I've ever seen, and I've grown to fall in love with this little bag. I love to carry it for ladies' nights, girls' nights, things like that, or even just a little date night where I don't need to have a lot of things. So out of these, you've got the Nano 25, 30, 35, and 40. Which one is your favorite? I'm curious. Do you have a favorite style, or do you have a favorite size, or both? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, we do videos like this all the time, reviewing bags, talking about bags, unboxing all of our new arrivals. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what you thought of all of these really cool Speedy size bags.